Meaning of Genghis Khan.
Genghis Khan.
Genghis Khan.
Genghis Khan.
Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan was a powerful and influential leader who founded the Mongol Empire in the 13th century. He is considered one of the greatest military commanders in history and is celebrated for his leadership, combat skills, and strategic planning. Genghis Khan's legacy has continued to influence Asia and the world since his time, with his empire becoming the largest contiguous empire in history. He is remembered for his military conquests, social and political reforms, and for being a unifying force among different tribes and cultures during his reign.